Rule of entrepreneurial survival: energetic, candid, and empowering. Most new businesses don't fail because their product is bad, they fail because they run out of money. When you are a new entrepreneur, finance control isn't just about bookkeeping but your oxygen mask. The core strategy: first, separate your money. Your business is not your personal piggy bank. Open a dedicated business account on day one. 2. Know your burn rate. You need to know exactly how much cash is flying out of the door every single month you keep the lights on. If you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. If you can't measure where your money goes, you can't grow your business. This is a mere knowledge of how you can possibly grow your business from zero to that maximum level that you've always been dreaming of. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All the best.